Okay, so we gotta put all these boxes inside the Mustang. I think we're gonna fit some of them into the truck, so when we take it in the shop, we can get it there. This one for sure, but all the suspension goodies. So we gotta do some cleaning because we spent a whole year, and this trunk is full of everything and anything. So yeah, as you can see, we got a lot of stuff. I mean, we're ready for everything. We got umbrellas, camping chairs, we got my nitrous here, we got clothes, man, water in case we're thirsty. This is my favorite hat right here by Ratified, the fishing hat. This was so good in the hot summers, man. This was stupid back when we were kids, but this thing's a lifesaver. Oh my goodness, I love this. But we gotta basically, I'm just gonna clean everything, make it really nice for the shop so they can access everything. We don't have any issues. Fruit Ninja, here we go. There it is. Nitrous, turbo. Love this thing. Whew. Alrighty, you guys, we got everything, well, at least the suspension parts in the Mustang E85 test kit. Oh yeah, so this should be ready to rock and roll for me to drive. I'm gonna try to drive this to work tomorrow and then go from work to the shop. Alrighty. Oh man, the struggles of E85, you guys, I gotta say. All right, so we're going for a quick drive. There's still snow out there, obviously, but finally the last drive in this Mustang, you guys. We are going into the shop finally. You guys should probably like, why would we take it to the shop? Well, they already have like my fuel system there. We need dynoing, all this and all that. It's about a good hour drive for me, so I ain't got no truck and trailer. I mean, come on. So we're just gonna bring it to the shop, have them get it all done, dialed in, and then we just take it home. You know what I mean? Honestly, like, the kit's been sitting in my garage for a while. I just really haven't had time to do it. Just been busy with all these other things, and as you guys know, my videos, I am not even caught up my videos, and here we are, snow's already melting. We're still doing this. So we're super behind on last year's video, and we're already running a new setup, so we got quite a crazy timeline. Cold start. I wonder if the Mustang will even start up. I'm not too sure. Let me roll down the windows just a tad bit. I'm a little nervous here. Okay, here we go, boys. Cold start. It's been a while. Wow, that is loud. It fired right up. Holy smokes. You guys that can't cold start on freaking E85 tag, yo, tuner. Oh man, let's close the hood. Let's go for a quick drive. Yep, the Vortech is still on here, you guys. I'm screaming on top of my lungs like, holy smokes. But it's just fine. It works. We're gonna go for a quick drive, like I said. I'm telling you guys, nothing's wrong with the Vortech. I would keep running it if I didn't get this amazing ESS right here. So this is still here. This is still on. All my suspension stuff still there. All right, let's go for a quick drive. We must listen to my turbo. You guys ready? Oh, is it turbo? Yep, I am pretty crazy to take out the Mustang, but hey, look at the road. I mean, just look at the road. It is mint. This is awesome. We still got quite a bit of snow. I mean, that's like 6-7 feet high. I'm not even kidding. It's like 6-7 feet high. Oh. And but the roads are just fine. Roads are just fine. I mean, look at this. Oh man. Like I said, go for a quick drive and just let the Mustang smell the air again. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear the Vortech though. Yeah, listen. Ooh. Ooh. Boy, oh boy. Sounds so good. Okay, let's see if we can get out of this road here. That was 50 miles an hour. Man, that was flying. Oh, yeah, baby. 50 miles an hour, that's crazy. Gotta get up to speed. Oh, boy. Woo. Oh, my gosh. Alrighty, guys, we're dropping off the Mustang. Oh, my goodness. Yes, we did drive it. It got a little dirty. Poverty Stars VMS on the rear. Dropping off the Mustang. We finally dropping off, I should say. Yes, I'm not doing the install myself. Oh my goodness, we're swapping from Vortech to ESS, you guys. We're also doing all the BMR goodies, almost all the BMR goodies, like the 762s and like the 051s. Yeah, I think it's 051, but all that stuff in the back. So we'll see how this goes, you guys. We'll hopefully make some good numbers. 508 wheel horsepower is what we're shooting for, so we'll see you guys then. We are actually at the shop again, and look at this. We got the Vortech off, we got the bumper off, we got all the ESS stuff on the table. This is the ESS bracket versus the Vortech bracket. Look at this. I mean, this thing's an absolute tank versus ESS, but we will see how it does. I mean, look how small the ESS blower is versus the Vortech blower. I think it's a tank. We got all the BMR goodies. That's what we went for. We went with red, so we could tell everyone that we are fully built. We're not hiding anything. So if you see red, we are fully built, you know. But moving on to the Mustang here, we kind of have it torn apart. Everything's ready to go. Probably going to clean the intake manifold. It is a little dirty in there. Yeah, definitely. Still a little dirty. But we still made 844 to the wheels with that. Like, holy smokes. But yeah, this is where we are with the Mustang, you guys. So we're getting there.